ABC's Phonemes and Vocabulary Builder. Letters E, F, G, and H. This is the letter E. E goes eh, 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 and E, E, E. Let's practice saying E. E, 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 E. This E is made with an elephant. Elephant. Show how the elephant makes the letter E. This elephant enjoys extra eggs. Even evil eagles eat eagerly. This is the letter F. F goes f, f, f. Let's practice saying F. F, 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 F. This F is made with a fox. F, f, fox. Show how the fox makes the letter F. Friendly frog flies far, far away. Ferret is forever filled with fun. This is the letter G. G goes g, 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 and j, j, j. Let's practice saying G. G, 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 G. This G is green. G, g, green. Show the shape of G. Goats go graze on grass. Gentle giant giraffes love gems. This is the letter H. H goes h, 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 and H is silent. Let's practice saying H. H, 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 H. This H is made with hats. Ha, ha, hats. Show how the hats make the letter H. H is a happy helper holding his friends together. H helps T think through things thoroughly. H helps C chat cheerfully with chums. H helps S the showy shouting. H helps P take a phone photo of Phoebe the pheasant. H honors the hour honestly. Good job! We have done E, F, G, and H.